everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeleine. I'm a digital and affiliate marketer, and in today's video I'm going to talk about an amazing toolkit for System.io. Are you tired of struggling to make sales as a System.io affiliate? What? You are in luck, because today I'm excited to share with you a game-changing resource that will transform your affiliate marketing journey forever. Let's face it, affiliate marketing can be tough. You need to create content, drive traffic, and convert leads into sales. But what if you don't have the right tools or strategies? You'll end up feeling frustrated and stuck. Now that is why I am thrilled to introduce to you the System.io Affiliate Toolkit by Soraya. This comprehensive toolkit is packed with everything that you need to succeed as a System.io affiliate. Imagine having the confidence to promote System.io with ease, knowing you have the right tools and strategies. Don't just take my word for it. Now let's dive into it a little bit more. As you can see here, this is the course that you will receive. Inside of this, you will get how to get started with System.io affiliate marketing, where she will explain to you exactly how System.io works, understanding the System.io affiliate dashboard, a ready-to-use email sequence with 12 emails for you to promote System.io, 15 email swipes to help you model your newsletters, step-by-step training on how she drives traffic to her affiliate links, do's and don'ts of System.io's affiliate link sharing, a detailed guide on how to map out your irresistible affiliate offers to get more affiliate conversions, detailed case studies on how she made 6K plus with a System.io affiliate program, 10 System.io affiliate funnels that she created, which you can use. Let me just show you one live. As you can see, she is an amazing creator. Let's go back. 10 of those funnels that you can use as a lead magnet. 3 ebooks to use to promote System.io, which she created. 15 social media templates to promote this toolkit with. And then 7 email sequence to promote this toolkit with. You get the private license rights. Plus, an affiliate funnel template, 5 Facebook profile banners to promote System.io, and access to her VIP Facebook group. So what are you waiting for? Get instant access. The link is available down below in the description, and start achieving the affiliate success that you deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.